In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute and unmute sound on Zoom app. By the end, you'll understand the key ways to control your audio so you can stay clear, avoid background noise, and manage what you hear during a meeting. This walkthrough focuses on the Zoom desktop app, where the audio controls sit on the bottom bar of the meeting window. First, let's talk about muting yourself. Look to the bottom left and find the audio button with the microphone icon. Clicking this toggles your mic on and off. When it shows a red slash, you're muted, which means others can't hear you. Importantly, muting yourself does not silence the meeting for you. You'll still hear everyone else speak and any sounds from the meeting. This is perfect when you want to quickly cut background noise on your end, but still follow the conversation. Next, there's a different option tucked under the small caret, or arrow, right next to the audio button. Click that caret and choose Leave Computer Audio. This completely disconnects your computer from the meeting's audio. After you select it, you won't be able to hear anyone, and they won't hear you, but you'll still see everything that's happening on screen, including video and screen shares. Think of this as a full audio disconnect, useful if you need silence for a moment while continuing to view the meeting's content. Just remember, this is more than a simple mute. It stops all sound in both directions. Now, if you want to fine-tune how things sound, click that caret again and select Audio Settings. Here, you can adjust your speaker and microphone separately. Choose the correct speaker device, like your headphones or computer speakers, and set its volume to a comfortable level. Then pick the right microphone, whether it's your laptop's built-in mic or an external one, and adjust the input volume so your voice comes through clearly. Watch the input level meter while you speak. It should respond to your voice without peaking too high. If people say you're too quiet, raise the mic volume a bit. If you hear distortion or feedback, try lowering your speaker level or switching to headphones. Small adjustments here can make a big difference in clarity. To recap, use the main audio button to mute or unmute yourself while still hearing the meeting. Use the caret menu's Leave Computer Audio to disconnect from all sound while continuing to watch. And use Audio Settings to pick devices and dial in the right levels. With these tools, you'll have confident control over your audio on Zoom.